Have you ever wondered what your future looks like in retirement? Will your savings be enough to support your desired lifestyle? Let's take a moment to explore your retirement potential. With our myCSSPEN Compass Retirement Income Planner, we can provide you with personalized retirement forecasts. To get started, please have the following information ready: your current income, balances in your registered and non-registered savings accounts, including your CSS account, and outside accounts, expected income from other sources, such as pensions or rental income. With this information, we can create a detailed illustration of your retirement plan. Please note that this is an estimate, and your actual retirement income may vary based on factors like investment returns and future contributions. Now let's start filling in the details of your retirement plan. Member information. If you're married and want to include your spouse's assets and expenses, please select the joint plan. This option allows us to incorporate your spouse's assets and expenses into your financial plan. Please note that when you choose the joint plan, you'll need to provide separate information for both you and your spouse on each page of the application. As you work through the application, you'll notice that you can modify certain fields. Please ensure you input the most accurate information for both yourself and your spouse. This will help us generate a highly personalized financial plan. Quick note: if you're already retired, we suggest using January 1st of the current year as your starting date. For life expectancy, we recommend using 90 years. This is a common industry standard. For the annual retirement income goal, you can either choose a percentage of your income or a specific dollar amount. If you choose a percentage, please remember that this is the total household income you'd like to have in retirement before taxes. This will go back to that annual gross salary field. The more accurate your estimate, the more reliable your retirement plan will be. Investor profile. CSS recommends maintaining your current portfolio with a moderate risk profile. This approach offers a balanced blend of growth and stability, suitable for long-term investment goals. If you'd like to explore other options or discuss your investment strategy in more detail, we encourage you to contact one of our advisors. They can provide personalized advice and help you make informed decisions about your financial journey. For more detailed information, please refer to the Notes section. Here, you'll find an overview of our 5 investor profiles and a quarterly investment report. These resources will help you stay informed about the plan's investment performance and make informed decisions. Assets. The information we'll use to create your personalized retirement plan will be pulled directly from your CSS account. However, if you have additional retirement savings outside of CSS, please be sure to include those in your plan as well. If you're working in a joint plan, remember to input your spouse information as well. This will ensure a comprehensive and accurate picture of your combined retirement savings. Pensions. For Canada, pension plan, and old age security benefits, you can leave the default values if you're unsure about your eligibility. However, we recommend contacting Service Canada to get the most accurate information. If you're already receiving a monthly pension from CSS, you'll see it reflected here. Additionally, if you're expecting a defined benefit pension from a plan outside of CSS, please input that information. Other. If you expect to have other sources of income during your retirement, such as part-time employment, rental income, or income from a small business, please enter those here. Any income you include here will be considered taxable income. You can also include any future lump sum amounts you may receive. This could include inheritances, proceeds from property sales, severance pay, or business sale earnings. Results. Once you've input all the necessary information, you'll receive a personalized retirement forecast. This forecast will categorize your plan into one of 3 scenarios: on track, slightly off track, or off track. If you're on track, congratulations! By continuing your current savings and investment strategy, you should be able to meet your retirement goals. If you're slightly off track or significantly off track, don't worry. You can make adjustments to your plan to get back on course. For example, you could increase your savings contributions, consider alternative investment strategies, or delay your retirement age. You can experiment with different scenarios using the sliding bars. By making small adjustments, you can see how they impact your overall retirement plan. The detailed report will break down your projected income sources, including your government pensions, investment income, and any other sources of income. The illustration of gross retirement income chart provides a visual representation of your projected annual income throughout your retirement years. It breaks down the contributions from your CSS retirement plan, other savings, CPP, OAS, and any other pension income. By clicking on Lower Returns, you can simulate the impact of lower than expected investment returns on your retirement plan. This will help you assess the potential risks and adjust your strategy accordingly. To gain a deeper understanding of the chart and its implications, you can click on the text version for a detailed breakdown. Using this report, you can gain a clear understanding of how your income will be sourced throughout your retirement years. For instance, in this example, the 71st year, Gene might need approximately $111,000 in pre-tax income. To meet this need, he might draw approximately $83,000 from his registered locked funds. This detailed breakdown will help you visualize your financial situation throughout your retirement and make informed decisions about your spending and investment strategies. Remember, your retirement journey is dynamic. Life circumstances can change, and your financial goals may evolve. It's important to review your retirement plan regularly and make adjustments as needed. Don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have any questions or need further assistance. We're here to support you every step of the way.